So yeah, here we are. We're going to do the SD platform workshop, which is AI in architecturing with Unity. So and then this, I mean, again, this is designed for the beginner. So we're going to start from the scratch. And yep, the same. So like yeah, we're going to use the Unity and Visual Studio with the C Sharp and the as well as the AI Foundation, MRTK, and Mapbox, the package from the Unity. And we are as the platform. Actually, we are Suminham design, and then usually our office work is we just work as the Suminham design's name, and then like this including this workshop, like all the parts of the research part, we call it as just as the platform. And here is our company, Suminham Design. Our director is Sumin Ham, and who is teaching in the SIAC as well, and as well as director of AA Visiting School Shenzhen, and the co-founding director of the Social Algorithm Research Group in Korea. And myself is like the associate of Suminam Design and skills tutor of the UCL Bartlett at BPro RC9. And this is our usual work. Left side is our Suminam design work, and the right side is about the SD platform works. So yeah, it's kind of obvious that they're working on the design part and working on the research part. You can find more detail from our website, suminham.com. And this is a previous picture of the SD platform when we were living in the normal life, so we could meet each other, something like that. Yeah, so we had some workshops, and then we also not only about just the computational work, we also did some, like as you can see from here, we did some modeling work as well. And yeah, we also developing a couple of the Rhino from the, you can find your food for Rhino, and there's package for the Grasshopper as well. And yeah, we updated some. I mean, this is kind of like very old one. I mean, you can see here like 6 years ago. But however, we are uploading uploaded some videos in Vimeo as well as the YouTube. And here is the faculty of the SD platform. Yeah, I already told you, Suminam is our director, and myself is associate of the Suminam design. And so here we are today. For this 3 days, we're going to run about the AI and architecture with Unity. And our aim is going to develop very simple mobile augmented reality application. So yeah, understand the basic of the intermediate knowledge of the game. So we're going to start from the scratch, and our aim is going to reach at some point of like intermediate stage as well. And then we're going to understand about the fundamentals of the augmented reality techniques. And just so actually the last sentence is our main the aim. So just get familiar with the augmented reality based on like using mobile apps. So here is our one of the reference. This is work from the SIAC student. I mean, and they developed. You don't. Well, I mean, sounds is fine. It's fine. So they try to develop the app, which is based on the GPS, something like that. So yeah, here is the view of the LA, and you can have a look around the city with your augmented view, and they can find some locations. People, where is it? Yeah. So they was thinking about they could communicate with the people who is staying around, something like that. Well, I mean, to be honest, this project is taught by the Sumin Han, so maybe she could explain a bit better. But yeah, however, our goal in the end is develop this kind of app. Like, so we could have the vision of the augmented view with the augmented holographic with the real view. That's going to be our main goal. And yeah, I mean, I already sent you the information email. So I believe that you downloaded already 2019 version of Unity. 4.9 is the best, but however, it doesn't matter about if you download it 2019.4 point something. I mean, the LTS version is important for, and then 19.4 is really important. If you download it like a 2020 or 2021, please download it again, because they release the every single update version like every week or something like that. So I downloaded. I mean, I downloaded this Unity like a couple of months ago. Well, but they already released 4.16 as far as I know. So and then the some of work is not working with in different version, but still like 4 point something would be fine. And then we're going to use a Visual Studio 2019. Well, this is not that the version sensitive, so it doesn't matter. And then yeah, this is our Zoom link. And yeah, this is all the time we're going to share. So it's going to be like a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, right? And yeah, I shared the Google link, a Google Drive link, and we're going to share some files from this Google Drive, and especially from us. Like we're going to send you some files, and we're going to use some files to use it in our project. So yeah, please have it. And the every day we're going to share the Zoom link. I mean, because we're going to recording this the meetings, and we're going to share through the Zoom link. And then after that, like a couple of days later, we're going to edit a bit of the video, and then we will upload all the recordings in this YouTube channel. And when you see the Google Drive, there is a share folder. So if you created any video, if you create any videos after the tutorial, yeah, please share with us. I mean, we're going to attach you, and then yeah, or if you do the Instagram, yeah, please hashtag us like the SD platform. Either like these are our the ID. So the SD platform is our SD platform ID, and the Suminam design, and Generative Han is mine. So here is our schedule. First day, we're going to start from the scratch of the Unity and the C# basic, and then we're going to learn about the AR foundation. And in the end, we're going to have a very simple like app, like screen-based interface. And yes, tomorrow is Sumin going to cover it, and she will going to teach about the MRTK Mixed Reality Toolkit and the Mapbox package, and they're going to she's going to introduce you guys about the GPS based the AR system. And the third day is going to be a bit more AR, or like we can call it also the more Unity, something like that. So we're going to have some graphic improvement and some further features, and yeah, and yeah, we're also going to introduce the web-based AR solutions a bit. And yeah, is for everything. And yeah, today, so I'm going to tell you a bit more about the today. So this is going to be our first session. Can you see the video? Yes. Yeah. So what we're going to do is like we're going to develop the diffusion limited aggregation in Unity, and we're going to add some UI, as well as you can see here some slide or like the menu button, something like that. And this is going to be our 1.5 hour. And then after that, we're going to jump into the AR, and we're going to develop the AR app and simple place app. I believe that I hope you know about the place from the IKEA, and this is kind of like a very simple mock-up of the IKEA. So you're going to have some assets, like this is kind of game-based. So you're going to have some assets, and every time when you buy something, and you're going to spend the money for the price of this every object. And yeah, thank you. That's what we're going to cover today.